Welcome to the Digital Media Equipment Closet. I am presenting you the C100 camera. The Canon C100 uses intelligent lithium-ion battery packs that goes on the back of the camera. Putting the battery in will lock the battery in place. In order to take the battery out, the battery release switch is on the side of the camera. Just push it in, and then you can take the battery out. The SD card slots are on the back of the camera, right above the battery pack in a flip door. In order to use the white balance button, it is on the side of the camera along with the peaking, zebra, and other buttons. You can use white balance in order to adjust the colors to make it look more natural. In order to filter out the different colors, use the control stick that's located on the top right of the camera. Opening up the screen has a display screen that shows the image that the camera is currently seeing. On the side has several buttons, stuff like ISO gains, zebra, ND filters, and peaking. What peaking does outlines the various focus points of the camera that is currently displayed on screen. In order to put on a lens, you have to align the lens with the red dot on the lens and the camera itself, put it on, and then twist until it locks in place. Don't forget to take off the lens cap. In order to take it off, press the button on the side, then twist it to take it off. The Canon C100 has several menu options to fiddle with. Press the menu button on top of the back of the camera to open up the various settings that is displayed. In case you want to use a microphone, you could plug the XLR cable on the side of above the lens here. If you want to unplug, press the switch underneath where the cable inserts and just pull it. In order to navigate through the menus, use the control stick that's on the right corner of the camera to look through the settings. This is where you control what frame rate you want to use. Typically, you want to stick with the 24p and 60p. When you're finished with your project, scroll down to Initialize Media and save it onto one of the SD cards that you have inserted into the camera. Thank you for watching our video. This is the Digital Media Equipment Room. Have a good day.